Students, in this story, the gold watch part second, we will see what problems Sanku faced now. In the part one, we came to know that Sanku had a great loan on him and he was not able to pay. He was imagining how to steal the watch. In this second part, we will see he was making imaginations of his expenditure and the persons who had given him loan. Here, Sanku's thoughts began to linger over the thorny problems of his life. He was continuously thinking about his problems. He was thinking that there would be the third day of the month, the next day, and in another 3 days he would get his pay 13 rupees for 13 days. I mean to say that his earning that he was going to take was only 13 rupees, but his uh, uh, debt was more than the sum. He had to pay one person 4.5 rupees. In this way, his 13 rupees will be deducted. His 4.5 rupees will be deducted from 13, and only 8.5 rupees will be left. And in this money, he will have to pay to so many people. One of the persons was to be given 5 rupees because this person was in charge of the fund from his factory, and he had taken this fund for his mother's death anniversary. Sanku was to pay this. He took some more money from other person, that was the tea shop owner. Sanku owed over 3 rupees for 2 weeks from that person's, besides previous arrears amounting a rupee and a half. He owed 6 rupees from Ali for supplying extra rice, beedies and other requirements of the house. 1 month rent rupees 3 total was due on him. In addition to these sums, he had taken a small loan of 12 paise from one person, 25 paise from another person, and total 50 paise from several other people. His wife had reminded him 2 days before that she owed 1.5 rupee, and she wanted to pay to the fish woman. Sanku, on hearing this, got mentally disturbed, and she make a total of all this sum and could come to know that it was 22 rupees, near about 13 paise. He was thinking, how will he manage these 8 rupees and a half that he is going to earn after 6 days, after 3 days? How will he manage all this? Sanku recalled 3 rupees which he borrowed from his wife, and these rupees were saved by her, and this was out of the sum she had slowly saved up now and then in order to buy a waist chain for the younger child, but she could not buy, and she gave these 3 rupees to Sanku. Sanku had assured her that he would give it back to the next month, but now there was the next month approaching, but the accounts was so difficult to pay all the loan. Dear students, next part of this story we will narrate in the story The Gold Watch part 3rd. Thanks.